Hey traders, how's everybody doing? Hey, listen, this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna give you three freaking amazing pair that is gonna blow your mind. But I'm gonna explain you step by step how I will take these trades. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the very first pair of the day, and that it is USD JPY. Pay close attention. I'm not going to give you the real data yet because I want to teach you how I'm gonna be looking into this particular trade. Okay, first thing first, what I always do as normal, I always pay attention what it is my dashboard letting me know. Look at here, I always pay attention what 4 hours and daily time frame is doing. So the daily is showing the market still very bullish, but the 4 hours is showing the market is going down, right? So the 4 hours is going down, but the daily is going up. So we have a contradiction, which is good. So in my opinion, when I see those different colors, that tells me, Irving, the market on a smaller time frame is doing a pullback. So again, this is USD JPY. Okay, so what I'm always looking, guys, I'm always paying attention where is this stairs. When the multiple time frame shows up, it's gonna tell you TWE sell, right? And the stairs is gonna be very solid, which means the market is selling. When when it's blue, look at here, I mean green, look at that. When it's green, clearly the stairs goes only in one direction. That's it. That's all I do. All right, so now that you know the basic, we're gonna go to real data, real time. All right, so let me go ahead and show you so you can see what the market is doing. Pay close attention because I need to show you back data first. Look at that. What is the real multiple time frame doing? Remember what I told you on the dashboard. The daily was very bullish, but the 4 hours is already contradicting. So here's the stairs. If you pay attention here, look at the green stair. Where's the green stair? It's only going in one direction. That means the market is very bullish. You don't see red stairs like you see here in the past, right? You don't see that. So that's why market here is very, very bullish. However, what am I seeing now, right? So let me show you the real deal, because I like to teach, to be honest, only data that hasn't existed yet. So this is my opinion. So here on the 4 hours on the dashboard is letting us know we are selling, which is true. Look at here, here's the multiple time frame. So on Friday, the market left us on a sell position. So this sell here is a pullback. So this pullback is valid. This is what I think the market will do this coming week, guys. Market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame. Once it's creating it in there, but it's not there yet, which is your 23. So it's gonna go there. From there, market is gonna make a small correction. Don't forget, because the buyer's still on chart. Just because it's doing a pullback, it doesn't mean that this pullback is gonna be very, very strong. No, not yet. It needs to be corrected. So the market is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame one more time, and then boom, by then the week is over. But that's what I'm seeing on USD JPY. If I'm confusing you, please let me know, because this simple strategy is for big profit. So that's once again, guys, this simple strategy is for big profit. So if you just execute it the way I'm telling you, it should be fine. Okay, now let me show you another big profit that I think is gonna happen this week, guys, and that is going to be GBP JPY. Pay close attention. Let me not show you the real data. Look at the dashboard, guys. Once again, I'm gonna explain you, then the last one I'm gonna show you, you know, all the baby steps, right? Look at the dashboard, guys. What is the 4 hours and daily time frame? Boom, so damn clear. Like I say, it's how can I explain you, man? Look at this, it's so damn clear. Then you know the market here is only going in one direction, and that it is bullish. That's it. That's all it's doing. It's not doing anything else. Look, this is GBP JPY. Remember, when the red stairs comes down, it means sell. When the green stairs goes up, it means the market is bullish. All right, it's clear. We're clear in there. Let me know, guys. Guys, if I miss any of your pair that you are planning to trade, or you were in a trade last week, reach out to me, and the link is on the description of this video. I can make a small quick video and tell you why you took that video, that pair, why you shouldn't have. Well, I can explain you everything. All right, so now let me go to the real data so you can see what GBP JPY is doing. All right, So now that you know the market is only going, look, let me shrink the candle a little bit so you can see it. Look at this massive, crazy pair, guys. Look at here. What is the multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's buy, right? That's what you're seeing here. 44 hours in daily time frame doing. Boom, it's buy. Look at the stairs, man. Look at the stairs, so dang clean. It's only going in one direction only. You tell me, is the market selling or buying? What do you think? Look at that. You're here with me. Look, you are seeing it, guys. Since when GBP JPY has been in a buy trend? Since May, guys, and we are already on July. So market has been bullish, very bullish for 2 freaking months. But there's no sign yet strongly showing me, hey Irving, market is gonna give us a long-term sell. Let me shrink the candle a little bit more, so maybe I do have the answer. But I don't have no back data. You see that? I really don't have any back data. So I really don't know what to tell you on this particular pair. All I can tell you is the market here is very bullish. But this is my opinion here, guys. Because it's showing a sign. Here's the multiple time frame. It gives us the reversal, which is valid, right? You see the reversal here. Boom, it dropped. But since the buyers are in charge, now buyers are taking over. How far is this buy trend is going to go? In my opinion, it's gonna raise another probably 50, 100 pips in here, and then it's gonna give us a reversal. So I'm looking for this reversal. So but market here is still bullish. So this reversal is gonna come back to this level here. That's what I put it in here. All right, and then from there market is gonna come back to the previous multiple time frame one more time, and then we'll continue up. Bottom line, GBP JPY is still very bullish. It's going up. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. But now let me show you the next simple strategy that it makes a lot of profit, big profit, and that it is one of the most tradable pair in the world, and that it is gold. Look at what gold is doing, guys. Let me not show you the real data because I should not show you that. All right, so look at the dashboard, guys. You got the answer. Who in here tells me the gold is selling? Can someone raise your hand and say, hey Irving, gold is selling? Look at what the dashboard is telling you. Look at what it's clearly telling you. Hey, you know, all the way for 1 month, all the way to 50 minutes, gold is only executing one direction. In that direction, it is up. That's it. Now that you know the answer, let's go. Let's analyze real data, real talk. You tell me. Look at that. Look at this, guys. This is freaking phenomenal. Look at here. What multiple time frames here? Look at the TW sniper entry. It showed up. Look at the stairs. The stair is just freaking forming. It has 1 stair, 2 stair, 3 stairs. So that when the green stair shows up, where's the market heading? It's heading up. So now look at this. Market's already retest this level here. Previous multiple time frame is right on it. So it's on a key level right now. It's in a key level to give us a reversal. But since gold is always gonna go up, right? So gold is gonna break that key level, and this is not gonna be valid no more. So in my opinion, still gonna push up. Boom. Then from there, market will do a small retracement where to this previous multiple time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, which is gonna be your 23.60, and then market will continue up. If someone asks you what is gold doing, guys, gold is only going in one direction, and that it is bullish. That's why I'm making this big simple this simple strategy with big profit coming up this coming week. So it's very easy, very straightforward, and hopefully, guys, you guys can make tons of money this week. So let me know, guys, if I'm doing it too fast or you want me to record a different video. Okay, so looking forward to see you on the next side of the aisle. Peace out, guys. Bye bye. Boom. Let's go.